must no longer allow a situation where blacks kill other black people because they want riches of that country. Africans must unite everywhere and do not find it easy to kill one another during these difficult times. Comrades, we have seen the killings in Mozambique, and they should know, the people of Frelimo in Mozambique, that if there is instability in Mozambique, it's going to affect South Africa. That's why we will not allow that there is instability in Mozambique. We want peace in Mozambique. We want free and fair elections in Mozambique. We want free and fair elections in Zimbabwe. We call on Zimbabweans to stop being cowards and confront Mnangagwa's government and go and reclaim their own country. They cannot continue to stay in South Africa as if they are enjoying life here. You will never enjoy life in somebody else's country. You can only enjoy life if you go home and remove ZANU-PF from power and arrest those who are stealing the gold of Zimbabwe. Comrades, here at home, the youth of South Africa